I can feel there is somebody here.
Nobody asked for this. Nobody needed this.
Tonight as he takes away my fears, lets me know there's okay. Yeah, he's reaching out his hand to me to wash away
No.
and I praise you.
Not me watching this 12 times. That face says,
Mila! Mila! Quick!
I hear above, they sing hallelujah.
Give me my bread, Novi.
They sing hallelujah.
how did nobody stop this little? 10 out of 10, no notes. This cat just tried.
Every perfect imperfection is all because of him. And I praise you.
Hello.
My arms open
You want to come over for a treat?
for love.
I thought so.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Huh?
They sing hallelujah.
This has been living in my camera roll for weeks. Oh my gosh, the dog is so confused. He's just like, what is? That tiny face of pure regret gets me every single time. He tried so hard. Then he just gave.
And he's watching over me tonight as he takes
What's that?
away my fears.
What's that?
Oh, I know.
That expression says everything.
Angels from above. They sing hallelujah. I can feel there is somebody watching over me.
Sir, that is not how gravity works.
Lets me know there's
What is going on?
yeah, he's reaching out.
Oh, he's not happy.
Tears got my arms open for your love. Oh, I want to be near you. I hear angels
So here is what happened, and I need you to stay calm.
they sing hallelujah. They sing hallelujah. I can see though my eyes.
Hey Nala, you trying not to make eye contact?
Always lets me know that I'm
What are you doing?
just the way he made me.
The slow realization happening in real time right here. Oh my gosh. He's so.
Oh my god! He has chosen me. He has chosen me. Oh my god. Motherfucker, what is it? Where the is it? I swear to God. You laughing, girl? You trying to laugh? This funny? Let me show you some fucking.
Okay.
Living rent-free in my head forever. Look at the face. This cat is definitely plotting something.
No, she is not.
Oh, good boy. You're gonna miss chomping the people.
What are you good at?
I like eating and sleeping.
Okay. And what are you not good at?
Everything.
Go ahead.
Am I walking?
No way this actually happened. This corgi just took over.
Oh, I'm walking you. Okay.
And he's watching over me tonight as he takes away my fears. Lets me know there's a heaven up there. Yeah, he's reaching out to wash away my tears. His name is John C. And I praise you.
There we go. There.
Arms open for your love.
Ooh, with that big fat butt.
Oh, I
Wiggle, wiggle.
want to be near you. I hear angels from above.
So he said.
They sing
What are you doing?
hallelujah.
You're turning my camera.
It's okay. I know you're. I know.
Yeah, he gives me strength to carry on and always lets me know that I'm fine just the way he made me. Every
This is why I have trust issues.
I'm
That-
so sorry.
because of him, and I praise you. Got my arms open for your love. Oh, I want to
Well, this is our Sunday.
be near you. I hear angels from above. Sing hallelujah. They sing
An ordinary Tuesday. Nothing could go wrong. Or so they thought. Oh my gosh.
they sing hallelujah.
That expression says everything. He totally fell for it.
Está aquí, güey, no mames. Qué bonito.
No, you jumped over these double big.
No, you bitch.
Gotta let it go, baby.
I hear angels.
Did you catch that? Rewind it. That bunny totally went.
Can feel there is somebody over me tonight as he takes away my fears. Lets me know there's a heaven up there.
It's okay. I know you're. I know.